Hi everyone, welcome back to Mac Studio. In this video, we are going to model the parametric bench in SolidWorks. Start to create a new part and save the file to your preferred location. First, create a new plane. Take the right plane as a reference by offsetting 900 mm. Finish it. Then create a new sketch on the new plane. Create a rectangle. Make the 0 point at the middle of the bottom line. Modify the dimension, set the length as 450 mm and the width 400 mm. Then finish the sketch. Create another sketch on the right plane. Use Convert Entities to copy the rectangle. Next, to extrude on the sketch. Extrude by 972 mm. In the same way to extrude another sketch to another side. After that, create a new sketch on the side face. Draw a supply on the top. Modify the distance as 25 mm. Then convert the top line. To extrude cut through all bodies. Afterwards, to loft to join two bodies, go to lofted base, choose two faces in the middle. Modify the profile point and set the start and end constraint as tangent to face. Finish the loft. Next, fillet the edges on length direction. Set radius as 70 mm. Here we get a bench shape. Then go to Surface, insert a plane into the 3D sketch. Choose the created plane as reference. And set a gap in 36 mm, quantities in 52. Reverse the direction. Finish the sketch plane, but not the sketch. Go into intersection curve. Select a solid body and all the planes. We need to select planes one by one. Box selection doesn't work here. Finish the intersection curves. Then go to Features, Extrude Base. Input the distance as 18 mm. Choose the created plane as direction reference. Finish it. Here we get half panels of the bench. Next, to create a middle plane of the bench. Then to mirror. Choose the middle plane as mirror plane. Select the left panels to mirror. Finish the mirror. We get all the panels of the bench. Next, we create a new sketch on the middle plane. Draw 3 circles. Create a construction line in the middle. Modify the position of circles. Make 3 circles to be equal and modify the diameter as 15 mm. And modify the vertical distance as 260 and 120 mm. Horizontal distance as 180 mm. Then cut through all the panels to both sides. Next, extrude 3 poles based on the same sketch. Make sure uncheck the merge result. Extrude to surface to both sides. Here we get a 3D model of the bench. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.